Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are going to talk about Israeli experimental cancer drug that could help hospitalized coronavirus patients recover within 5 days, as per claims by Israeli trials. We have a lot of details around this medication as to how it works and how exactly it's able to cure the patients within a quick span of time. But for that, you'd have to watch the complete video and also subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. An experimental cancer drug could help hospitalized coronavirus patients recover quicker, researchers believe. Israeli academics today claim 29 out of 30 patients with moderate to severe case of COVID treated with ExoCD24 made a full recovery within 5 days. Further human trials are now needed to prove that the inhaled drug designated as medication to fight ovarian cancer actually works. The study did not compare the drug to a placebo, meaning scientists cannot say for certain that the medicine was behind the patient's speedy recovery. However, the data shows that average coronavirus patient needing hospital treatment spends up to 3 weeks in a bed. Scientists gave 30 patients with serious or moderate COVID infection a dose of the drug. It's not clear how old the patients were, but the data shows that younger patients are much less likely to die from coronavirus and recover quicker. 29 showed significant improvement within 3 to 5 days. It's not clear whether the patients were also receiving any other drug or treatment. The 30th patient symptom also got better, but outside of the 5-day window, Israeli media claimed. The trial sample size was also too low to draw any noteworthy conclusions about the drug's efficacy. The data was not published in a journal. Professor Nadir Arber of Ichilov Integrated Cancer Prevention Center spent years developing the drug for ovarian cancer before trialing it on coronavirus patient. ExoCD24 is taken once every 5 days and is relatively inexpensive, according to Professor Arber, but he did not reveal exactly how much it cost. It was initially developed to treat ovarian cancer before researchers considered its potential for coronavirus treatment. Coronavirus can trigger a brutal immune response that shuts down the body's main organs known as cytokine storm. The drug uses tiny carrier sacs called exosomes that shuttle materials between cells to deliver a protein called CD24 straight to the lungs. It's been about half a year from the time the idea was hatched and the technologies created to the first human trials conducted and phase 1 of testing completed. The researchers are planning to carry out studies of the drug on hundreds of patients and compare the results to a placebo. Israel announced today that it will ease lockdown measures to keep its international airport and land borders closed following a slight fall in the spread of coronavirus cases. The government has accepted a proposal from the Prime Minister and the Health Minister to ease lockdown measures from 7 a.m. on Sunday, the officer said in a joint statement. Despite what has termed been the world's fastest vaccination campaign per capita, Israel has still been registering a daily average of about 6,500 new COVID-19 cases, down from around 7,000 last week, official figures show. So that's all we have in today's news. Please continue to watch my videos for more news and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being with me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.